Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle clean without computer on EcoTank ET28060. So basically what you'll need to do is put some pages at the back of the printer and turn on your printer. After that, what you'll need to do is hold this button for like 5 to 10 seconds, and as you're hearing right now, the printer starts doing its things. This will blink for a little bit, and now you will need to wait until it does its thing, and actually after he's finished, this light will go into the standby mode. And that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, you can hear those sounds, so that means it does the cleaning. And after that, we will do a test run where we see if our head is cleaned. Alright, so it took me around like 4 to 5 minutes to do that. And now if you want to print a test page, what we'll need to do is hold on this button and on this button at the same time for like 8 seconds. So you need to count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, and that should print a test page. If this does nothing, what you can do is basically turn off your printer, because mine did nothing right now. So let's turn off the printer and I will show you. Okay, let's start it and do it the same thing. Okay, and make sure you have paper, and now it will print a test page. So you'll see, because now it's blinking and it should start printing. As you can see, it actually prints right now a test page, and we will see how it will look like. So right here we have our test page, and as you can see, we don't have any skips or lines. Let me focus it. We don't have any skips or lines not printed, and that means our printer now is printing pretty good. And as you can see, all the number and text looks good. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.